Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Monday the 5th of September. Not very windy today, but we're still on this, and I don't know if you can see, but the mud and the earth was here. It was basically revealed to me that as the other bits got stronger, I thought the forces on this thing could be way too much and it could just pop out. So there's going to be more welding. You're going to have 4 of these slightly above with some extra metal on sorry, plane in the sky. And yeah, that's that. So sorry it hasn't got taken down yet, because that's the plan. It needs to come straight down, sort out the bend in the tower. But stuff is being done, it's just taking a lot longer than I thought. There's actually quite a lot of work there, so got to cut these out, cut this bit out. That's a big one. Quite low. Anyways, progress is happening, and when it's strong enough, it's strong enough. Okie dokie, bye for now. Just stuck it on 24 volt. So yeah, it's doing something. Once we get everything fixed up, it'll be making more power than this for sure, especially in the winter. But yeah, that's pretty cool. She's a beauty. Sweet, I'll crack on. I'll see you very soon. This is kind of like a side profile. Weldzilla, spreading out like an octopus. Sweet!